thunderstorm warning for southeastern Holmes County in central Mississippi, southwestern Etowah County in central Mississippi, northeastern Yazoo County in central Mississippi, northeastern Madison County in central Mississippi, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Benton, or 7 miles east of Yazoo City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Jesus Christ.
Source, radar indicated.
Why did you go off?
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Benton around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Coxburg and Ebenezer around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pickens and Bronxville around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Goodman and Franklin around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.